When we look at our history and we think about who really plays the ultimate role in the culture of family, we're often going to be led to women and to mothers. Mothers throughout the world are really our primary and first teachers, caretakers, leaders. So anything that impacts them has ripple effects for the rest of us. At the core of all of my work is really a celebration of the ways in which Black women have continued to create life even when others have tried to deny it to us. So this is why I think Black mothers are so powerful, is this ability to envision and this ability to believe that we are more, that what others are saying we are. And it's powerful. The mental health of mothers and our consideration of that is really critical in our understanding of what mothers really need. We can think about our lack, for instance, of affordable childcare for all children, or our lack of a universal parental leave in the United States. All of these things are not only bad for the mental health of mothers, it's also this ripple effect of how it's going to impact our national mental health, our national physical health. And so we all need to start paying more attention to this. Really focusing on the mental health of mothers will create these ripple effects and changes that I think could be really revolutionary.